We were just having a discussion on who's holding it. Again, unprompted car meet. We have come down to the Corner Hunters meet in West Haven Marina. Again, I did not bring a microphone. Hopefully you can hear me. Tyson is with me today. Troy's here as well, also freezing his butt off. And Bo West.
He eventually turned up.
He was on Outrageous Fortune. No, just kidding. So we're going to have a look at some cars, be cold, and hopefully no one crashes into any lampposts this time.
This time.
So yeah, we're just going to go have a look.
Super Celica?
Is that a Supra?
It's a Super Celica.
It's pretty cool. Evo. This Mercedes is pretty cool. Lambo. You want one of those, Tyson?
Yes, actually. Two.
This is Bo's car. Who dat? You're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be famous. It's not like Bo and Tess's other content that they make. It's Bo's supercharged CL7 that we did years and years ago. It's gone through a few iterations now, but on a Haltech with a wee Rotrex down there. It's about 260 kilowatt. Brembos. It's for frickin' loud too. Yeah, and Mugen. Our Type R. Not that anyone cares, but it's here. With my new additions parked in the bush, but yeah, it's got my new Mugen wing on it. It was clean. Before it rained. Troy's car again. It's my favourite crayon eater.
Why is that no surprise? Why is that no surprise?
Grant from ADD. What does ADD stand for besides your condition?
Albany Detail Department.
Grant looks after all of our high-end builds and cleanups. He does amazing work. We have his R33 GDR.
Hey, it's right at home at the marina, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's an R33 powerboat. It is very, very clean though. It's far cleaner than my car. Can you tell us a little bit about your powerboat?
Well, what would you like to know?
Engine package, that kind of stuff. You're going to have to talk a little bit louder because I don't have a microphone because I'm not cool.
That's the second time you've done that.
Second time he watches the videos.
You are absolutely useless. Look, buzzy thing with this car is it's the sister car to Robbie Ward's Borg that he built many years ago.
Most people under the age of people that watch our videos won't know who Robbie Ward is. So Rips Racing used to be a very popular big GDR builder here in New Zealand. That's who he's talking about.
Yeah. So he built some world record car that did like 60 mile an hour to 120 or 140 in some record time or whatever it was. So this was the sister car to that one, which was kind of buzzy that I found out. I know Harlow Jap Autos in the UK ended up with Robbie's old car and sold it on to some guy that I chat with regularly. So yeah, basically runs Nitto 3 litre bottom ends, the sort of stuff that was all top shelf parts 10 years ago. Tomo oil pumps.
20 years ago.
20 years ago.
20 years ago.
It got, like, from the records of what we've done, is it got built about 10 years ago. So yeah, you know, Tomei, all palm, truss sump. The only difference between this and the other car was the other car ran a 34 6-speed and direct port nitrous injection and a very, very old school TO4Z.
Did it have a Motec system exhaust?
Could have, maybe.
The main thing is that all people care about with GTRs is, can you fist the turbo?
Yeah, it's a Garrett GTX 4088R, so in precision numbers it's like a 6568. So
It's pretty badass. I have driven it. It does have a dog box, which takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's one of those guys. He's got bonnet pins for his street car.
I can't help it. It's a genuine top secret hood. So
It's so top secret it has bonnet pins with a key.
hey, what is it? Project No Secrets.
So the answer to that question is you can fist the turbo.
Jaden, can you just edit in like a B16A?
Yeah, so now that Nissan and Honda are becoming a thing, can we insert K-Series now? Okay, now you can continue about your
Yeah, like it's been. I will say, like, cocaine and hookers are far cheaper.
Yeah. We all know that.
Yeah, it's definitely been a project. Like, I bought the car off a mate of mine. He bought it sight unseen. Trans was blown, stuck in third, didn't run.
I'm sorry, can we rephrase that to gearbox?
Yeah, sorry, gearbox. Nothing worse than a blown trans with a seal. Look, yeah, had blown transmission. Didn't start, didn't run, didn't look anything like this. I've had the car for nearly 7 years come March. Yeah, car's had full paint, top and bottom. Like this had EGT probe sticking out of the dump pipe, not plugged into anything. 3 generations of linked looms. Torn power steering belts. The list of problems was just catastrophic. And I've just been spending the last, you know, 6-7 years putting it back together so I can on sell it, very similar to what I did with my Blue 32. Restored that with a resto mod, and then yeah, this old donkey now.
And for those of you who don't know, go look it up. So it's Robbie Ward and it's Rips. I mean, everyone knows who Tomei is, but yeah, Rips Racing. I'll go and have a little shot of the interior as well. There's the engine. Oh, look at the wee top performance. But he also has like that douchebag Ethan from Hyper. No, I'm just kidding.
Brian's on the back as well.
Brian's good guy, but I don't know about that Ethan guy. Very clean factory except for the Nismo cluster. It smells like a detailer's car.
New Orleans whorehouse.
Oh, yeah. Cop that one out. Right, I had to keep going. Good to see you, buddy.
No worries. Happy New Year to everybody, and yeah, we'll hopefully carry on with the guys at TPD in 2025 doing lots more stuff. And I've got a little surprise for Mr. JP that he doesn't know about until right this second. So
as long as it doesn't come with a foot pump, I'm all good.
No, but it does involve ping pong balls.
Oh, great. See you soon, bro.
Sweet.
So this car is one of our customers' cars. Simon's FK8. This was one of the original Stage 3 cars with our big turbo on it. Oh look, we're filming. Maybe we could make an OnlyFans for our feet or something.
Gotta make money somehow.
So, your FK8, she's running full Stage 3 package, so intercooler,
Yep.
turbo, the whole lot.
Yep. Full bolt-on.
Full bolt-ons.
Yep, stock motor.
How long have you had the car?
3 years since brand new. So,
Since
yeah.
brand new. And it's a facelift in case you guys didn't know, so we've got the little blanking plates and stuff like that. But it's the family hauler.
There you go, you're gonna be famous. New Zealand famous.
So the FK8, I can't remember. It's probably been a couple of years since we did the turbo and stuff on it.
I think it was last year, early last year. I think it was start of last year, around there.
So it's been drag racing. I see you guys have been to a racetrack and
couple,
stuff.
Yep.
It's she makes just over 300 kilowatt. It's quite a weapon. So we're gonna do some clutch testing on my car.
Yep.
Because
Of course, your car's a guinea pig, so it has to be.
yeah. So Mugen have just come out with a new clutch, and then at that point we have some things in the works with the fuel system which are almost ready.
Yep.
So that means that we'll be able to turn the power up, and
We've got 10 pounds left in the turbo, right? So
we got 10 to
make
15,
use of-
we got
make
10,
use of
10 to
that.
15 pounds left in the turbo. So I think we should. Bye bye.
Cold. Too cold.
We'll test it out on my car, which will be coming apart next week, to install the new parts and bits and pieces like that, so we can get it on the dyno, and then once we know that mine doesn't blow up, we'll hopefully see you in the workshop soon to you and Tommy
Yep. Tommy's always keen.
get the power up.
We're waiting, just waiting on you.
Just waiting on me. It's always waiting on me. But yeah, love this car, and thank you, sir, for supporting TPD.
Oh, good. Thank you.
All right. Well, we'll just keep going through the rest of the cars.
Yeah, before they shoot off.
Yeah. Everyone's.
Bring a jersey or not.
Yeah, I didn't bring one either. I'm cold as.
Cold as, till I left. Which was like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
I'm freezing. This Evo wagon is badass. And this car, I'm not really a fan of Volkswagens, but this thing is jammed as. I hope those are real BBS wheels on bags.
As you put a pocket, yeah, it wouldn't be raised up enough.
A couple of lorries. Very cool. Put the corner hunter on camera.
What's happening, guys?
Thank you for setting up this event today.
No worries, man. I was like,
It's about to rain.
It is about
Oh, come on.
Roll out, push away.
So, the corner hunter ran away from his own meeting because it was cold. And
What?
He's not here. I don't know where he is.
No.
I think there was talk about it going down to
Mission Bay or something. I don't know. He's going to go hunt some corners, but he's not here.
Not many corners to hunt in Mission Bay anymore.
The speed bumps.
Oh, there used to be the good ones up museum.
Can you finish that off with Curb Your Enthusiasm song?
I think we'll close the video out now that everyone's run away from some water. It was only a very quick stop, I guess, because it's already done and dusted. Look, everyone's empty.
86.
It's
Everyone's
like scenic drive, eh, when it's wet. Eh?
yeah. Well, I don't know.
Good time to go out because there's no one on it.
But I don't know whether I'll add this footage into the video I'm going to do on my car for next week, because my car is coming to bits. So I don't know. This will either be a really short car meet video with me giving this man a lots of shit, or it'll be supplemented, big word of the day, into a new video of my FK8 getting torn to bits. Don't know, but if it is the end of the video, I will catch you next time, and you will see this man and Mr. Banana.
Mr. Banana. Yeah, roast.
Well, I guess he's B2 and I'm B1.
And I detail because I'm not made for OnlyFans.
This is like our work pajamas.
Wasn't there the rat in B1 and B2, and then
Yeah.
you could be the rat?
Or
Well, yeah, that's the pot calling the kettle black.
you could be Snoo Snoo from, what's it, Snoo Snoo from the Teletubbies up.
Oh,
But with the-
no, that's
Dr. Silver from Futurama.
Nunu.
Nunu, the vacuum cleaner, but he only eats bananas.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Jesus.
yeah, so that's either the end of this one or you'll next see my car on a hoist getting pulled to bits.
Probably by Nunu.
Yeah, probably by Nunu. Because these hands aren't for working on cars anymore. These are just for ideas. These are idea hands.
Those are hands made for a piano.
Keyboard.
Yeah, I'm a keyboard warrior now. All right, catch you next time.